What is going on, lady boys? We're out here with Zay. We finally got him off the couch. What have you been doing, Zay?
Dude, Warzone. That's it.
Call of Duty Warzone. Dude, you streaming at least? No, not good enough. Not good enough to stream. Anyway, we came out to the Supercross track. We thought it'd be a good idea. Someone told us that they fixed it up and stuff, but looks like they fixed it up. They fixed it up about 4 or 5 years ago, it looks like, and it's all overgrown now. So it's windy as heck, but we're gonna play on this a little bit, and then we're heading out to the mountains out there. We're gonna go to Massacre Canyon, go right up to the falls. So the water's running off the fall. It's pretty sick. I would like to try to get up one hill climb there. I don't know if Zay's gonna make it up though. We're gonna have to find out.
Watch from the bottom.
You gonna watch from the bottom? It'll at least be a cool ride all through the riverbed and everything. So let's play on a little track here, Zay, and then we'll head out. We gotta find the canal somewhere over there. We'll figure. What? You wanna go hijack his tractor?
Oh yeah.
Make a tractor vlog.
That thing's so slow, there's no way.
No way. Alright. Come through here, we got a little whoop section. Come around the corner, and they did build the double up. Pretty good sized double here. Over this. Come around, see what they did over here. This used to be fun on pit bikes, but now it looks like it's pretty much only a big bike track. Another double, triple, into a single. What do they got here? A little double out of the corner. Looks like they're going the other way. We got a on-off here. Little rhythm section. Dude, it's so overgrown. Yeah, it's pretty bad. That thing is pretty beat. Alright, Dungy, let's see the double.
I'm not hitting that, dude. That's a slow ending for a big gap, too. Why is that so slow?
I don't know. That thing is pretty jacked, though.
Like, look how...
Alright, guys, so we're just doing a little commentating, watching Zay. Probably bring the pit board out next time. He's practicing for Supercross and starting back up. So KTM gave him a full factory DBK racing ride right here. So what it is he gets as much weed as he wants. Just chokes up. How many bowls do you smoke before you get ready for Supercross, Zay?
Me?
Yeah, on the DBK KTM team.
Dude, I don't even have DBK on this yet.
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
Usually by a pound, and everyone gets their own pound.
Really? Yeah. So your whole team, the mechanic, everyone gets a pound of weed? Is that why your tires are falling off?
I just pick it up, that's it, dude. I don't do nothing.
Don't let them fool you guys. They're actually running weed-infused race fuel in the bike. So the whole time he's going around the track, it just smells like he's just...
No, not weed-infused, CBD infused.
CBD infused?
Yeah, there's CBD in my gas.
Just smells like a rolling blunt going around the track.
Dude, I want to like hit something, like, but it's so overgrown.
It's like, sketchy, dude.
You see me swapping this?
Turn around. Woo, to the top. see that highway patrol?
What?
Do you see the highway patrol?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, he was right there. Out of his car. That's why we turned around.
Is he still there?
He came up to get us right there, but...
No way.
Yeah. Oh man, now we gotta cross here somewhere. Dude, we're screwed. He's waiting for us over there. We gotta get across right here. They're slick. What? Dude. Yeah. He was in his car. He was out of his car. And then he seen us and he just went running into his driver's seat. Yeah. Huh? He was up ahead right where we were going. Let's go. I always see those drive by in the Razor and I just wanted to try them. The second one's gapped out pretty far. Alright guys, we have made the long trek. It's so long and like just flat and stuff. It's so soft. You just sink in. Alright, we're at the opening of Massacre Canyon. You ready, Zay?
No, not really.
It's fine, we're gonna follow the water. Poor bike, his bike's so clean. It's gonna be so muddy after this. Wow, the water slowed down a lot. It used to be just like 2 days ago, it was flowing through here. There we go, it's starting to flow here now. Getting better. We're gonna follow this all the way up this valley. Dave's gonna have fun. So right there, oh come on Zay. So right there is it's a cave that goes in, and it looks like they used to maybe have fires there or something. It goes all the way up through the thing. It's pretty cool.
That's where you found those kids, huh?
No.
Oh.
That's like a whole fireplace right there. It goes straight up, the smoke. And then you have where up here the ovens where they burn all the bodies and stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I've heard about this place.
Massacre Canyon?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's for real.
Are you being serious?
I'm being dead serious, yeah. Why do you think they call it Massacre Canyon?
I don't know, dude.
All the Indians
Why
were
do they
fighting
call-
in here. It's a gnarly story.
Wait, that's where they burn people?
Not there, up here, the ovens. Pay attention, Zay.
Indians are pretty gnarly.
They're gnarly.
Respect.
Alright, let's keep going. We gotta get to the waterfalls. On the way back, I'll show you the ovens. Just remind me so I don't forget. There they are up there. When we had all those crazy rains, this thing was just ripping. We haven't had rain for a while now, and it's actually still flowing, which is really weird for SoCal. Oh! That rock is so slick. Come on, Zay. There's no place to play around right here. Oh, how's he getting up this? Right here, Zay. Been like 10, 15 minutes probably. Zay's still stuck on one rock back there. Wait till I tell him he has to go up that thing. That would be gnarly. No, we gotta get up that. Yeah. We ride up to that second ledge, then we tie the bikes up and then pull.
Good for you. I was stuck right there,
I
dude.
know.
I was like, I saw you going, I was like, dude, how am I supposed to get
On now. All right, guys. We just got done taking the screenshot. My whole right side of my body is just completely soaked. Good thing I wore a jacket. It's gonna be a cold ride home. Oh! Should we see if Zay can get up that thing? I think me and Dom tried that before. It doesn't work. Come on, Zay. Up this.
How you even supposed to make it up there?
Just kidding. Uh-oh, Zay's following us. Yeah! Yeah. Alright, we gotta get to the ovens now. Up this way. Here they are. This is it, the ovens.
Gnarly.
Yeah, it's where they burn all the bodies.
Like pizza or?
No, not pizza.
No?
No. How much are right through that? Oh. That's just straight sewage runoff. It's actually pretty sweet. That corner's fun.
It's deep.
It's deep.
It's pretty deep, man.
Let's roll. Dude, that was slick. Oh my god. That was so slick. Whoa. Dude, it was like ice. Oh, that sucks. Alright, lady boys, that is it for today. It was just a long ride out there for not so much content while you're there, but anyway, it was an awesome ride home until just got stung by a bee in the neck and it hurt so freaking bad. Oh, there you go. Anyway, yeah, it's like 15 miles probably, and you're doing about 45 the whole way because this thing doesn't go nowhere.
What?
All the way down
miles?
to what?
Is that 15 you said?
Yeah, probably just there.
So
And then 15.
30 miles?
Yeah, we're about. I'm probably close to empty on fuel, but
Oh my gosh, dude.
yeah, it sucks fuel. And we had such a gnarly headwind coming back. My neck is sore from. If you let it go, it just flips your head back.
I know.
Zay's little neck was just.
And you got stung too, so that sucks.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize you rode that far. I didn't even feel like that far.
Oh yeah.
What do you
Like,
think that guy's doing?
I don't know.
It's not really a free runner truck,
No.
so he's not free running.
I don't know. Probably just stole it, waiting for us to leave so he could strip it and burn it.
Honestly.
Yeah. It's nuevo. That's probably what's happening.
I wouldn't be surprised.
That's God dang it. freaking hurt too. I haven't gotten stung in a while.
I didn't even realize how close I was to eat.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't even paying attention.
Like we gotta try to get back home.
We're close, yeah.
Yeah, we're close. But...
Still trying to hit Corbin with only 10?
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's do it.
All right, lady boys.
For this video.
Yeah.
We get the main thumbnail and then we need to add it.
All right, we'll see you guys in a couple days.